Mercedes-Benz has unveiled the highly anticipated updates to its flagship electric sedan, the EQS, along with its sibling models. The 2025 EQS boasts significant improvements in various aspects, ranging from extended range to enhanced comfort features, catering to the evolving needs of electric vehicle enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the 2025 EQS is its increased range, thanks to a larger battery capacity. Mercedes-Benz has boosted the EQS's maximum range by up to 82 kilometers, setting a new standard for electric vehicles. For instance, the EQS 454 now offers an impressive range of 799 kilometers, marking an increase of over 11% compared to its predecessor. Additionally, the EQS 450 Plus model surpasses the 800-kilometer mark with a range of 683 to 822 kilometers, providing customers with ample driving flexibility. Moreover, Mercedes-Benz has elevated the towing capabilities of the EQS and EQE sedans equipped with 4MATIC, enabling them to tow trailers with a weight of up to 1,700 kilograms. This enhancement brings the sedan models closer to the towing capacity of their SUV counterparts, offering customers versatility in their transportation needs. Innovating beyond range and performance, Mercedes-Benz introduces a novel feature to the EQS, a brake system maintenance function. Given the high proportion of energy recuperation in daily driving, the EQS relies less on traditional braking mechanisms. To ensure optimal performance and longevity of the brake system, Mercedes-Benz has incorporated an automated function that periodically engages the brake pads with the discs, enhancing their effectiveness and durability. The exterior of the EQS receives a stylish upgrade with a new radiator cover featuring chrome applications as standard, enhancing its avant-garde appeal. Complemented by an upright Mercedes star on the front hood, this distinctive design element combines the futuristic EQ aesthetic with the iconic Mercedes-Benz emblem, setting the EQS apart on the road. Inside the cabin, Mercedes-Benz focuses on elevating comfort and luxury with meticulous attention to detail. The ventilation nozzles on the B-pillars now feature chrome frames, adding a touch of sophistication to the interior ambience. Furthermore, the optional Rear Comfort Package Plus introduces a slanted footrest in the rear compartment, enhancing passenger comfort during extended journeys. Equipped with state-of-the-art driving assistance systems, the 2025 EQS offers enhanced safety and convenience for drivers. Notably, the automatic lane change function enables automated lane changes on two-lane highways, enhancing driving comfort and efficiency. This feature, integrated into the Active Distance Assist Distronic with Active Steering Assist, allows the vehicle to initiate lane changes within a specified speed range, providing a seamless driving experience for EQS owners. For discerning customers seeking unparalleled luxury, Mercedes-Benz introduces the MANUFAKTUR Selection, a special edition of the EQS sedan. This exclusive variant boasts exquisite features, including a choice of premium exterior colors and AMG styling, accentuated by a new radiator grille with chrome applications and an upright star on the hood. The interior is adorned with opulent Nappa leather upholstery and meticulously crafted trim elements, creating an ambience of sophistication and refinement. The upgraded 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS is set to redefine the electric vehicle landscape with its innovative features and unparalleled luxury. Interested customers can place their orders starting April 25, 2024, with unchanged basic prices despite the enhanced standard equipment. Additionally, the MANUFAKTUR Selection Special Edition offers a bespoke experience for those seeking the epitome of automotive luxury, albeit with a premium price tag starting at €16,600.50.